Let's be real, nothing kills the vibe of a perfect camping trip, beach day, or backyard bonfire faster than a terrible chair. You know the one, it sags, it pinches, and you're basically sitting on the ground after 10 minutes. But what if you could have a throne worthy of your outdoor adventures? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best camping chairs that are absolute game changers. Whether you're looking for a cozy spot for two, a feature-packed command center, or a simple, reliable classic, we've got a pick for every need and budget. Let's dive in. First up is the ultimate shared experience, the Huskfirm Double Camping Loveseat. This isn't just a chair, it's a full-on couch for the great outdoors. With an incredible 800-pound weight capacity and high loft padding throughout the seat and back, this thing is built for serious shared comfort. It's crafted from heavy-duty 800D Oxford fabric on a sturdy steel frame, so you know it's built to last. You get 2 large adjustable cup holders, and when it's time to go, it folds down into a carry bag surprisingly easily for its size. The only minor downside is its bulk when packed, but the trade-off is unbeatable comfort for two. This is the perfect pick for couples, families, or anyone who wants to lounge by the fire in ultimate comfort. Next up is the SUNNYFEEL Director's Chair, and this one shines if you need a mobile command center. This isn't just a seat, it's your outdoor office. The standout feature is the massive flip-up side table, complete with its own integrated cup and phone holders. On the other side, you'll find a double front multi-pocket pouch for storing everything from your iPad to your keys and snacks. It's built with a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds. The one thing to note is its weight. At over 13 pounds, it's on the heavier side. But for that unparalleled convenience, it's totally worth it. This is the ultimate chair for anglers, festival goers, or anyone who likes having all their gear within arm's reach. At number 3, we have the Kijaro Duloc. And let me tell you, this chair is all about smart, stable design. It's built with a unique dual lock mechanism that securely locks the chair in both the open and closed positions. No more accidental folding while you're getting in or out. It's constructed from durable diamond ripstop polyester and features breathable mesh on the seat back to keep you cool. For organization, you get 2 cup holders and a handy organizer pocket with both zip and mesh sections. The only downside is its fairly standard 300-pound weight capacity, but for most users, this is a solid, feature-rich choice. It's perfect for the camper who values stability above all else and hates wobbly chairs. The number 4 spot goes to the Timber Ridge Aluminum Director's Chair, and this one is a fantastic blend of lightweight strength and comfort. The first thing you'll notice is the frame. It's made of sturdy aluminum, which means it's incredibly light at just over 7 pounds, yet it boasts an impressive 400-pound weight capacity. It features a comfortable padded seat and back, plus hard armrests and a detachable side table. The X-shaped frame provides great stability, and it even includes a carry strap. The seat is a roomy 25 inches wide, so it's great for larger individuals. If you're looking for a high weight capacity chair that won't weigh down your gear, the Timber Ridge is an absolute winner for backpacking and long hikes. And finally, we have a legend, the Coleman Cooler Chair. This is the definition of a simple, brilliant idea executed perfectly. It's your standard super comfortable camping chair with a fully cushioned seat and back, but it has one killer feature, a fully integrated 4-can cooler pouch right in the armrest. No more bending over to dig into the ice chest. Your drinks are chilled and right beside you. It also includes a mesh cup holder and a side pocket for your phone with a strong steel frame supporting up to 325 pounds. The seat is roomy and the comfort is top-notch. If your top priority is keeping your beverages cold and your body comfortable without a bunch of extra frills, the Coleman is a proven game changer for tailgates and campfires alike. There you have it, 5 top-rated camping chairs that cover every need. Want luxury lounging? Go Huskfirm. Need organization and power? SUNNYFEEL or Coleman. Want lightweight strength? Timber Ridge. Want reliable everyday use? Kijaro. Pick based on how and where you camp. Check the links in the description to compare prices and specs. Once you try one, you will not go back.